Hello student, today we are going to study new point from biotechnology, that is biopatent. So patent, it is a special grant or special right granted to the inventor by the government. A patent, it is a personal property of inventor. A patent consists of three parts. First part, that is grant, second part specification, and third part claims. Then what is the meaning of grant? Grant means agreement to the inventor. Specification means the subject matter of invention. Then claims, that is the scope of invention to be protected. Then biopatent, it is a biological patent. Biopatents are awarded to strains of microorganisms, cell lines, then the genetically engineered strains or genetically modified strains, biotechnological processes, then the product and product applications. Next to these, biopatents are awarded to recognize real contribution or real innovative contribution made by the inventor. Biopatents are also awarded to encouragement and values in developing special culture or specific culture. Then Indian patent allows process patent and not the product patent. Biopatent allows the patent holder to exclude others from making, selling, using and importing protective invention for a limited period of time. Duration of biopatent is 5 years from the date of patent and 7 years from the date of filing the patent application, whichever is less. Then biopatent was patented to genetically engineered bacterium, that is Pseudomonas, for clearing the oil spills. Then next to this, patent which is based on a gene that produces, patent which is based on a gene, when this gene produces a protein which is toxic to plants, then that plant or that patent is not granted by Indian government. It is not granted by Indian government and it is morally unacceptable. Then patent under the title control of gene expression was issued jointly with Delta and Pineland Company and US Department of Agriculture. Then the examples of biopatent. Which are the examples of biopatent? That is Neem, Azadirachta indica, Haldi, Curcuma longa and Basmati rice. Then next to this, biopiracy. Pirates in general term are those who steal others, who steal and also kill others to enrich themselves. Then what is the biopiracy or biopirates? Biopirates are those who do not kill but steal the patent, theft the patent, misuse the patent. So biopiracy is defined as theft of various natural resources, then selling them by getting patent without giving any benefits or compensation to the host country. Then next to this, biopatent. In case of, there is, in biopiracy, there is theft of biopatent. It is unauthorized misappreciation of any biological resource. The developed financial nations are poor in biodiversity and traditional knowledge, but developed and underdeveloped nations have ample of biodiversity and knowledge to use the bioresources. Such nations exploit patent biological resources of other nations without proper authorization. Components of traditional knowledge that are relevant to global survival include knowledge of food, then crop varieties and agricultural farming practices, conservation of natural resources, also sustainable management of natural resources and biological diversity. Biological important medicines, the conservation of species, habit and biodiversity are essential to be continue survival of indigenous and rural people. Then the examples of biopiracy. There are three examples of biopiracy. First example, that is patenting of neem, kadu neem, that is Azadirachta indica. The people of India use a neem in a number of ways, use neem since time immemorable. They also shared the knowledge of using neem in all over the world. But the American companies patented neem. As a result, it is a legalized theft. The properties of fungicidal properties, patenting of fungicidal properties of neem was an example of biopiracy. The next example to this, basmati rice. Basmati rice, it is a long grain aromatic variety of rice indigenous to Indian continent. The US Patent and Trademark Office granted a patent to a Texas-based company, Rice Tech Inc., for basmati rice, line and grains having trade name Texmati. Then third example, that is to this third example is haldi turmeric. Two American researchers put a claim that they have discovered haldi's healing properties, and they were granted a patent in March 1995 for something you had known for years and our Ayurvedas for centuries. But there is also scientist Raghunath Mashelkar also showed this mistake to CSIR. He also studied the Ayurvedic healing properties of haldi. So CSIR full form is the Council of Scientific and Industrial Research, applied to the US Patent and Trademark Office for a re-examination, and after realized the mistake, cancelled the patent. So in this way, we have to study the biopatent examples and biopiracy. Okay, thank you.